welcome back to my channel, guys. This is your girl May Vanessa. I am going to be making breakfast with some homemade pancakes. So first things first, you want to get some water in a bowl, and then if you want to use a measure cup, you can use a measure cup, and then just put in a good quantity of the pancake flour. Hey guys, excuse my voice. I have not been feeling good for the past few days, so however, I do have to make my content, so please excuse my voice. But yeah, so you want to put the flour into the water. If you know me by now, you know I am not a measuring person, so I do not measure. Do your measurement according to the sizing or the quantity of food that you're making. And so I just like to do things by eyeballing them. So just keep going. So you want to keep doing what I'm doing until you get it at the texture that you want it to be at. Now I am gonna go ahead and put some butter onto my frying pan. You can use whatever type of frying pan you can use, a smaller size. I happen to be using this big old frying pan, guys, and so my pancakes, they come out a little bigger than I anticipated, or a little bigger that you normally would see. But yeah, either way it works out perfectly. So I'm trying to flip it over. Okay, carefully flip it over. And you can see at the other side is perfectly medium brown, just how I want it to be. Put that in there, and then go ahead until all of my flour is out of the pan. I'm gonna go ahead and make some eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and put some seasoning. Got some Italian seasoning, some parsley, some garlic, black pepper, and some Maggi cubes. I didn't use all of it from the look, as you can see. See, I told you guys my frying pan is big. Now I'm gonna go ahead, put in some butter as I prepare for my sausages. And there they are. You just want to put them in there, kind of like that, and then flip them over until you get it at the texture that you want it to be at. They're just about ready to go. Lost in the drought of nightfall. Now guys, my egg has been sitting, so I just want to warm it up for the last time before I take it out and dish it out. Now I do not have a pancake cutter or a food cutter, but this is where you become very creative, and so this is what I decided to do, and it worked. Okay, it worked out perfectly. So whatever you gotta do, you ain't gotta have all these fancy things. Okay, it don't matter, guys. And now I'm just gonna cut out some strawberries. You ain't gotta use no strawberries, but I am gonna use strawberry for this particular breakfast that I'm making today. And then now I am also gonna go ahead and cut out some bananas. That's it, guys. I'm adding in some whipped cream, just kind of like giving it a nice look. Okay, but thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my breakfast.